In this video, you will learn how to properly install a surface-mounted universal screen's motion screen. Make sure you have unpackaged your hood and housing, side channels, and your fabric and weight bar. First, you will use a drill or screwdriver to remove the two screws securing the hood to the housing back. You will then remove the hood and also take out the roller tube. Place both of those items to the side, preferably in a shaded area. You will be left with the housing back, and that will be used as your mounting bracket. Next, you will need to mount the housing back in your opening. Make sure that it is secured in a plumb and level manner. You will then want to place the roller tube into the end cap slots on the right and left, with the electrical cord facing down, to allow for a drop loop for potential water runoff on the cord. Then, you need to install the plug to the motor cord. Run the white wire to silver screw, black wire to gold screw, and green wire to green screw. Next, plug in your unit, and you will now begin to sync your Somfy remote to the motor. You will need to check the up and down functions, and change the motor direction if necessary. Roll the tube to move the Velcro to face forward. After that, you will attach the screen and weight bar to the roller tube. Feed the fabric from behind the roller tube and attach to the Velcro side. Leave at least 1/4 inch on each side of the outer roller tube. Start from one side and make sure the fabric is attached snug and level. Use the extrusion line as a guide. Once you have attached the screen, you can now use the up arrow on the remote to roll the fabric up onto the roller tube. Roll the fabric up, and press the My button to stop a few inches from the housing. Press the My and down arrow buttons simultaneously to set the desired upper limit. Once pressed, the shade will begin to go down. Once you've reached your desired bottom limit, press the My and up arrow button simultaneously and the shade will begin to go up. When the shade rolls to the top of the opening and stops, press and hold the My button for shade to jog. Flip the remote over, press and hold the program button for the shade to jog again. This finalizes setting limits. You will now attach the hood cover to the housing back. You may need to apply pressure to lock it in. Then you will replace the hood screws that you removed in the first step. Lastly, you will measure the height you want for each side channel to be. You will need to cut the side channel to your desired height. Always cut from the bottom of the channel. Then, replace the end cap. Once you have your desired heights, remove the side channel cap and you will reveal a place to attach your screws. Now, you will want to feed the zipper of the screen through the vinyl insert of the track. Make sure the zipper is inside of the insert, and then slide the tracks up to their desired height. Using the remote, run the screen down and up to determine where you need to move your tracks. Finally, secure the tracks to the wall, and pop the side channel cap back into place. Use a rubber mallet for this task. Congratulations, you have successfully installed a universal screen's motion screen.